guys, and today I'm going to show you how to make a weird sound. All you have to do is take a balloon and a pump and blow a balloon. I think that's it. So now all you have to do is this. And that's it. Do this. And that's how you make a weird sound.